Hello, amazing learners! Welcome to our spelling and reading adventure. In this lesson, we will spell and read words with the hard G sound. This is pronounced as G. We will also learn about words with a soft G sound. This is pronounced as J. Come, spell and read with me. Repeat after me. Gate. G A T E. Let's spell the word again. G A T E. Gate. Let's read the sentence. The gate is close. The gate is close. Gold. G O L D. Let's spell the word once more. G O L D. Gold. Read the words after me. Beth has gold earrings. Beth has gold earrings. Garden. G A R D E N. Let's spell that again. G A R D E N. Garden. Read the words after me. There are flowers in the garden. There are flowers in the garden. Goal. G O A L. Let's spell that again. G O A L. Goal. Let's read the sentence. Say, the ball went in the goal. The ball went in the goal. Gift. G I F T. Let's spell the word again. G I F T. Gift. Read the words after me. Kyle gives Emma a gift. Kyle gives Emma a gift. Gem. G E M. Let's spell the word once more. G E M. Gem. Say the words after me. The ring has a big gem. The ring has a big gem. Gym. G Y M. Let's spell the word once more. G Y M. Gym. Read the words after me. Many people go to the gym. Many people go to the gym. Germ. G E R M. Let's spell the word once more. G E R M. Germ. Read the words after me. Sneezing spreads germs. Sneezing spreads germs. Giant. G I A N T. Let's spell that again. G I A N T. Giant. Read the words after me. The giant steps on the houses. The giant steps on the houses. Angel. A N G E L. Let's spell the word once more. A N G E L. Angel. Read the words after me. The angel plays the harp. The angel plays the harp. Great job, children! You did it! Remember to always practice spelling and reading so you can improve your English skills. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please click like and subscribe.